Hello, everybody. I'm Marlena Ballinger, and I own the Dough Hook in Bluffton, Ohio. This week, I'm going to demonstrate how to make smash burgers. The smash burgers are in our fresh meals this week, and in case you don't know, our fresh meals are 3 meals designed to feed either a family of 4 or 2 people, and it's everything you need to cook those meals. So one of the meals this week includes smash burgers, and that's what we're going to make. So we have a pound of ground sirloin, we have American cheese, we have Dough Hook signature dinner rolls, and a griddle. So to start, I'm going to spray the griddle. I already have it plugged in, and it's nice and hot, you can see. So we're just going to spray the griddle. The hamburger has a little bit of fat in it, but I don't want it to stick. And we're going to divide this hamburger into 6 balls. So there. We divided it into six patties. Clean our hands. Now we're just going to take them and we're going to put them on the hot griddle. And then you're going to either take your spatula, I usually take both, and a spatula and measuring cup, and you're going to smash them. Smash them really good so they get nice and thin. And that's going to give the patties a nice caramelization. I'm just going to do that with all of them. And the last one. So we're going to let those cook for just a couple minutes on each side because they are so thin. So it shouldn't take long. This is a nice, quick, easy meal. While they're cooking, I have some French fries that I'm going to throw in the oven quick. My oven should be preheated. I'll just pop those in there and we're going to get those nice and crispy. So I went to cook them for about 25 minutes. So the French fries, we stuck them in the oven. I had the oven on 450 degrees. And like I said, I put them in for 25 minutes. So these are getting nice and crispy. You don't want to mess with them too much. And I've got my griddle set about as hot as it can go. Like I said, this is a nice, simple, easy meal. And that's usually what I try to incorporate into our fresh meals, is easy, simple meals that really only take you 20 to 30 minutes to cook each night. I'm a busy mom, and I know my customers are too, so I really hope you guys are enjoying them. So we're going to check the first one I put down. We're going to flip it. Not quite as caramelized as I like, but it's cooking. Got a little bit on the outer edge there. They smell good. You smell it? Too bad you couldn't smell on YouTube, right? And on the other side of the camera is my daughter, Hannah. Oh. She aspires to be a YouTube vlogger. Let's start flipping these. Maybe. Oh, that one's nice. See how that got nice and caramelized on there? That's good. Yum. So we're going to let these cook and then we're going to top them with some American cheese. Oh, that looks delicious. Doesn't that look good? That was the last one I put on the list. So you really should only have to flip these one time while the underside's cooking. You can press down if you want to get a little more caramelization on them. They're nice and juicy. So now we're going to take a piece of cheese, and I think one piece of cheese might be too big, so I'm going to break each one in half. And just lay a piece of cheese on top of it. And it's going to melt. Doesn't take long at all for these to cook up. It's nice and quick and super easy. I didn't put anything in that hamburger. You can season that hamburger if you want with some salt and pepper. Or sometimes I make it into like little meatloaf. Oh, I have a half a piece left. Looks like I'm going to eat that one. So now I'm going to slice my dough hook buns. Somebody snitched one out of here. It's open. Just cut one for demonstration purposes. Did you see Haley run through there? We are at home, guys, so you are going to see my family. Today is a Monday, so it's pretty snowy outside, so school got canceled. Just checking these. I think these are done already. So let's get a new plate. That one's dirty. We'll plate these up. See how that cheese is getting nice and melty on there? I'm going to turn this off because I think these guys are done. And there you go. There's a smash burger.